Well, good morning. It's about 10 o'clock a.m. here in Central Time, USA, here in Panhandle of Texas, on Sunday, the 18th, 2024. I hope everybody had a wonderful weekend. I didn't get a chance to do this last night at my job, and I ended up staying late. Girl came in and said, "I'll go get food." Okay. So she went and got food. I stayed there, tended to the desk, and yeah. Life happens. I got a full belly. Good food. Yay. So, yeah. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a blessed day and enjoying their weekend. Or the beginning of their Monday. Okay, the work week's starting. It happens. Yeah. I'm tired. Got a full belly and I want to go to sleep now. Anyway, got over to the farmer's market yesterday and picked up a watermelon and carried it back over to the job for the girl that relieved me yesterday, and she was all happy about that. So she decided to do food today, and yeah, that's why it's 10 o'clock. Because quite honestly, we didn't sit down to eat until after 9, because the place that didn't know. Excuse me. I got kind of the burps, hiccups going on. But the place didn't open up until 8. Didn't have everything out, and she was So she had to go back over there, plumb across town to get there, because that's one of the places that actually puts out real good Mexican food. It's like, okay, I got one chicken place. I like Church's. I got the Big Texan for steak. And I've got Texas Chicken Bowl for my Asian, Chinese, Thai, whatever you want to call it, food. And then I've got like 4 different Mexican places that I like. And yeah, I'm in Texas. There's a lot of good Mexican food here. Real stuff. Problem is, I can sit down and eat some food, and that was good. Now I'm all full and just want to curl up and sleep, but I still had this to get out. But that's okay. Trying to take and do pretty productive on this. I just got a notification saying I've done 250 uploads. So yay. And I didn't start this part of it, doing this daily vlog until sometime in February. So, yeah. I put out a few before, but yeah. And I need to start getting back to where I'm actually putting out a video instead of just this daily vlog. That would take care of showing y'all some of the sunshine, because, try to get some stuff done during the day. But yeah. I don't know about y'all, but trying to deal with all the things going on in the world. Over here we got a bunch of crazy going on because of this election. And it seems to be a lot of crazy. And, had somebody come in and ask me to turn it over to MSNBC. And I'm like, well, I don't know that channel because I don't watch it. And I says, I can get it over to either Fox or Newsmax. And they realize, hey, you're in Texas. We don't do that. And in most of Texas, MSNBC, NBC. We just don't do that. It got better sense. Don't get me wrong, Newsmax and Fox have their issues too, but they're a lot less messed up than, yeah. Anyway, they suffered through about, the rest of their breakfast and went on their way. Wasn't trying to be mean to them, but I wasn't going to suffer. And first off, I said, I don't know what channel those are on, and I intentionally don't know what those channels are on. I don't watch TV. I know where Newsmax is, the Weather Channel, Fox, and Turner Network, BBC, and those are the ones I leave it on when Sci-Fi. Yeah, those are the ones I leave it on when I have the TV on and I'm at work. I go to those channels and turn the volume off most times because very seldom do I actually watch it. I go to the local Channel 10 News here for the weather in the morning. And then once I caught the weather, I'll flip it over to Newsmax. Because I really just don't need all that crud. Yeah. I mean, I've got a 50-inch TV I'm using as a computer monitor. I think I turned it on for weather 4 months ago. Other than that, it just comes on for my computer. Because I can actually sit across the room and see. Because these old eyes ain't exactly that good. They don't see that well anymore. That's the hazards of getting old and having cataracts. Things start getting hazy and fuzzy and halos around it. That's why I need to get over there and get this surgery done on my eye. Because it is getting worse. And I'll be glad to get over there and get the surgery done. Have some vision again. It is what it is. But yes, the news is not really worth watching, and when I have to listen to it because somebody wants to hear it, I have to suffer through it, and so I suffer through either Newsmax or Fox. And I don't rightly care whether they like it or not. That's the only one I'm willing to listen to, so suffer. I'm the one with the TV remote. I'm the one with the switch. Don't get me wrong, I am an employee there. So, yes, I do take and consider. But, yes, they wanted news. They got news. They didn't like the station. Not my problem. It informs. So, yeah. Anyway, kind of wish I had I wish I'd have got more done and got to have the garage sale this weekend, because apparently there's 3 of them in my neighborhood. Yeah. Of course, I wasn't paying much attention when I got here yesterday morning. I just drove in. But on the way in today, I actually saw signs. And I'm like, dummy, I should have went ahead and did it. But hey, there's always another weekend. Anywho, I hope everybody's having a blessed weekend. I checked on there and I'm up to 140, so thank you, subscribers, and please stick with me. Over the next year, I'm planning on, taking care of things, getting things all sold off and out of here, and packing up and flying away to the Philippines. So things will get better over there, and more will start happening as I get closer to getting out of here. Excuse me. But yeah, thank you for being subscribers. Please hit the like and subscribe and comment, please. I try to get back to all comments. And yeah, I even talked to them on here. You know, like I said yesterday, you know, I'm not worried about a hospital. If I make it there, I make it there. If I don't and I die, well, nobody's getting out of this game alive. We all die sometime or another. Yeah. So I'm going to try to live it and live it as best I can between now and then. And I'm hoping that it involves a long time in the Philippines. So yeah, I'm really looking to get over there. Well, like I said, today is Sunday. Blessings to all. I'm William. This is William's Philippines channel. And hey, I'm fishing. Fish is out.